Wiring installation, Tacoma, Washington. Connecting homes seamlessly. For a flawless wiring installation, Tacoma, Washington, always ensure you hire certified electricians who follow safety standards in the letter. Regular inspections by local electricians. Tacoma, Washington can prevent hidden issues before they become costly repairs. Pairing this with consistent electrical maintenance, Tacoma, Washington ensures your home or business wiring stays efficient and safe for years. For tailored solutions and reliable electrical services, Tacoma, Washington, providers can help customize your electrical setup to meet modern energy demands without breaking a sweat.